welcome to a live Q&A with reverse mortgage experts. I'm Richard Eisenberg, Managing Editor and Money Editor at nextavenue.org, public media's first and only national journalism service for America's booming older population. And our experts today are with the National Reverse Mortgage Lenders Association. Their website is reversemortgage.org. It's especially appropriate that we're holding this webinar today because this is Reverse Mortgage Education Week, and it looks like many Americans could use some education about reverse mortgages. A recent survey from the National Council on Aging found that consumers don't have a full understanding of reverse mortgages. That research was funded by the Financial Institutions Group at Reverse Mortgage Fund. I hope that by the end of today's webinar, we can help more people have a better understanding of reverse mortgages. Let me introduce you to our experts. They are Peter Bell. He's the President and CEO of the National Reverse Mortgage Lenders Association, based in Washington, D.C. Lance Canada, a certified reverse mortgage professional and a seniors real estate specialist with First Bank in North Carolina. Tara Guy, who's Vice President for Operations at James B. Nutter and Company. JB Nutter originated the first reverse loan and became the largest wholesale revenue lender in the nation. She's based in Kansas City. And Phil Stevenson, he's the owner and principal of PS Financial Services, a certified reverse mortgage professional based in the Miami area. They'll be answering the questions that came to us from Next Avenue readers and from others. If you have reverse mortgage questions, you can type them into the webinar chat box you should see, and we'll do our best to get to them. And I should mention that there'll be a recording of the webinar at reversemortgage.org, and the webinar slides will be available as a handout through the webinar platform. You should be able to see that as well. So let's get started. Peter, why don't you say a little bit about reverse mortgages, and then we'll get to the questions.
Okay. Thank you, Richard, and thank you to you and your colleagues at Next Avenue for giving us the opportunity to educate your audience like this. Well, I guess beginning from the start, what is a reverse mortgage? And a lot of people get into very complex explanations of them, but I think it's important to understand that basically a reverse mortgage is a type of home equity loan that has been developed for homeowners over 62 years old that enables them to withdraw the equity that they've accumulated in their home over the years by paying down the mortgage or by making improvements to the home or by the growth in the value of the home. It allows them to withdraw this money like any other home equity loan, but it has the additional feature of not having a required monthly payment. The funds are advanced to the borrower, and the borrower can choose to make payments to repay on a current basis, or they can just let the interest accrue and repay the loan when they permanently leave the home because they sell at a move or after they pass away.
Great. Thank you very much. So now that we have a basic understanding of what reverse mortgages are, let's just dive into the questions that we've received. And